Imagine waking up, stepping outside, and picking fresh tomatoes or crisp lettuce from your very own garden, right here in Bloomington, Illinois. That's what so many people in our community are discovering with vegetable gardening. It's an easy way to eat healthier, save money, connect with neighbors, and do something good for the planet. And you don't need a giant backyard. Maybe you have a small patio or just a sunny window. With a little planning, some pots or raised beds, you can grow everything from spicy peppers to fragrant herbs, no matter your space. The secret is understanding a little about our local weather. Like that sweet spot after mid-May, when the frost is gone, perfect for planting your tomatoes and peppers. Our local soil is rich, and adding a scoop of compost makes it even better for your plants to thrive. Even apartment dwellers can try container or vertical gardens, or join a community plot like the Refuge Food Forest. Start with easy crops like tomatoes, leafy lettuce, or basil and parsley, and you'll see just how quickly your salad bowl fills up. To get the most from your efforts, plant quick crops in spring, summer favorites when it warms up, and more greens as fall arrives. And make it sustainable. Use compost, rotate crops, and invite helpful insects with flowers. Technology like Farmonaut can help you monitor your plant's health from your phone or computer, spot problems early, and get advice tailored to your little garden patch, just like a gardening friend who watches over your crops day and night. By getting your hands in the dirt, you'll pick up new skills, meet fellow gardeners, and discover that growing food at home can be rewarding for your wallet, your community, and the earth. Happy gardening from Farmonaut. Let's grow together.